So if you've ever opened the RV door in the morning, going to step outside only to have the door ripped out of your hand by the wind, or your kids are slamming it constantly, or you've got a big bucket of gear walking up to the door and the door swings slowly, closes right in front of you, then you know the pain of having a free swinging RV door. Now a lot of RVs come with these little plastic clips that hold the door open, which is all well and good, except one good wind comes by, it comes off the clip and the door swings shut right in your face. On a recent trip we were on, the wind blew so hard that it actually snapped the plastic piece holding the door open. Now this installation of the Lippert Friction Door Hinge couldn't be simpler. It comes with 2 hinges that you place in between the 3 hinges that are already on your Lippert door. And it comes with all the screws you need, so the only thing you need is a drill. You literally line up the hinge in between the top and the middle, and then the middle and the bottom, screw it into the frame, screw it into the door, and then you're done. And now your door will stay where you put it until you move it. So if you want to leave it just cracked, you can do so. If you want to leave it all the way open, you can do so. Now the one issue I did have with the friction hinge is if you have solid steps on your RV that come out, the clip that holds them in, mine were running into the screws. So I ended up having to take the screws out of the middle bottom hinge so that the clip holding the stairs in could pass freely over the hinge and not get stuck on the head of those screws. Again, it's a super simple piece of gear, something that I think really should come on every RV from the factory. Thankfully, it's something that can be rectified in about 5 minutes, and it really makes using your RV door that much better. So if you found some value in this video, make sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. We're doing lots of DIY projects like this and RV related content. Come back and join us. Until next time, I'm Joshua. Happy trails.